Good morning. Yeah, the date is the 5th of January. So happy new year. This will be my second hike of the year so far. Today I'm going to go up to Pike. I'm going to tick off the 5 pikes and I'm going up to Pikeston Fell, then back round up Hamsterly Common, Black Hill, back into Hamsterly, then sort of go around the forest and come back up that way at Chambry Gill. So that'll be the little route for today. It's about 12 miles. Yeah, looking forward to it. Just by myself today, so I'm gonna put a bit of extra mileage in. Got all this Christmas weight to lose, eating too much cheese, chocolate, too much booze. So yeah, I need to really step up the game this year. I'm on a diet at the minute, actually. I don't think I'm fat or anything, but like, yeah, just you just feel a bit chubby around the midriff. So yeah, I don't like. I feel sluggish when I feel like that. I went out for a run the other day and I was just like, bleh. This wasn't happening. I was stopping every 2 minutes. So I think, yeah, I need to get back to it. But I hope everyone had a good Christmas and New Year and all that. So yeah, let's do it. So off we go. There's Chambry Gill. That's where I'll be coming. That's where I'll be coming back down there from Hamsterly. I'm just gonna head on the road and there should be a little footpath up here. I've done some of this walk before, the Chambry Gill bit, but I haven't been over this bit that goes on the Pike, 5 pikes and all that. So yeah, it should just be a moorland ramble. Pardon me. So the weather seems all right. The forecast said it might be the odd shower this afternoon. But I've got all my gear, all my warm stuff. Can't take chances out on the moors up here. It can get quite wet and windy and extremely cold, so just prepare for everything. But yeah, look at it, Teesdale, isn't it? Whew. Beautiful. Yeah, there's a bit of a nip in the air. So this is me, I think. Medic! Yes, I'm copying Hayes Outdoors, but he's a legend. So you probably won't be able to see that, but Hamsterly Forest over there. GoPro's not very good for sort of like long distance stuff. So yeah, that's Hamsterly. We'll be going back around to there. I think I'm hitting this track here. Yeah, I do love a good moorland mooch. Back was twinging a little bit today. Well, yesterday I went to the gym and so I'm being quite tall. I do suffer from lower back pain, so I'm hoping that's not going to rear its ugly head. Oh god, yeah. See how boggy it gets as well. Never thought about that. I think a lot of it will be on tracks, but I reckon it'll be a quagmire. Just been pissing it down constantly, isn't it, for the last few days. So I'm about a mile in, I think. I forgot to set my Strava, so I'm not entirely sure, but yeah, so far so good. It's just slow going. It's been quite boggy and jumping a lot of bogs, which is to be expected. That's all part of the fun. I'm quite looking forward to getting on the track, really. I do like bog hopping, but it's been torrential though, hasn't it, the last few days, so cracking views. For some reason I didn't think I'd get all these views. I thought it'd be just like moorland going uphill for ages, but it's really opened out. See all the way over to Weardale, Wolsingham, Towlaw over there somewhere. It's nice to be out doing a solo hike as well. Just clear the head, clear the mind. Yeah, the track. I think I can see 5 Pikes in the distance. 5 Pikes trig. You won't be able to see it, like, but 5 Pikes trig. So yeah, here I am, 5 Pikes trig. This will probably be the highest point of the walk today. It's quite easy to get to actually. I mean, it's quite high up anyway. So now I'm just gonna head over yonder and then towards Hamsterly at some point. Yeah, so the time sponsored by Accurist, 10:38. So I've got plenty of time today. Let's take it steady. So I think I'm officially in Weardale now. I think that's Hamsterly over there. Stannis will be further that way, so yeah, I'm pretty sure that's Hamsterly. The weather's very nice. Sun's out. Didn't expect any sun, to be honest. Just said it was going to be cloudy, so always an added bonus. So I need to find this other track now, and that head takes me down to Hamsterly. Hamsterly Common. Man, these tracks go on for miles. What time is it? Half 11. So I reckon it'll be a good, like 1 o'clock by the time I get to Hamsterly Forest. Got to follow this track. Just never ended. Lovely day for it though. A Hope Shield, this is called, the meeting of the grains, where the streams interconnect, intertwine, and become one. This is such a cool spot. I remember been down here a couple of times. It's like perfect wild camping spot. Walk on the grass for a bit, it's so soft. Yeah, it really is a little oasis, this. Just in the middle of the moorland, just all comes down here. Easy, just camp it. It's so peaceful. But yeah, just having a quick 5 minutes before I tackle Black Hill. Black Hill ain't no joke, man. Done it before. It's quite hard. It was hard when I was young and fit. Not so young now. But yeah, I'll be alright. It just basically goes all the way up there and just constant incline till you get to Hamsterly, really. Yeah, bring it on. So there's a bit of a ford there, so I've actually just jumped the river, which is quite fun. Like, normally you can walk through that on a summer day. I was prepared to wade through it this time though, like fuck it. Whew. So about halfway up Black Hill. It's not as bad as I remember actually. I think last time I'd already done like 10 miles and it was just like, oh, gotta go up here. So yeah, 10 to 1. And I'm just at the Black Gate, coming up from Black Hill in the backside of Hamsterly. Yeah, I said I'd be about 1, so I was pretty accurate. 10 minutes early. Whew. So yeah, I just have a quick 5 minutes after that climb. It was pretty brutal. No, it wasn't really, it was easy. Looks like a good spot for a sit. Oh, it's so quiet. So quiet I could hear a mouse. It's eerily quiet. It's mad, there was a buzzard. So I was sat down there, it was gliding through this pathway. It would have gone like straight. It almost hit me straight in the face, but just like seeing me at the last minute and like, oh, I wish I got it on camera. Yeah, you do see some nice wildlife in these more remote spots. Yeah, it makes a change actually. It's been like pure mooling for like six miles, so the forest is a welcoming change. I can't believe how quiet it is. Like I'm whispering. Nearly on the home straight. Yeah, nearly, I think Shambury Gill is just round the corner. It's just been raining, so I haven't, last 2 miles, so I haven't really filmed much. It's just more trees really. Oh, I got that bit. Time 2:26 PM. Strava saying I've done 10 miles. but I know I've done an extra mile because I forgot to turn Strava on, so I've done 11 miles, so in my eyes that deserves a beer. Before I hit the Chambry Gill, found a nice little spot near the gate. Just going to chill for 5 minutes, and it's like let's put it a mile or so back to the car. Job done. Oh, nearly there. It's been pissing down again, on and off, on and off. Had the rain skirt out a couple of times. Gamekeeper just drove past us. I do look a bit funny with the rain skirt on. It's practical. It keeps me bottoms dry. Feeling it now, like feeling it now. It's good though. Got to push yourself a bit. Yeah, so pretty much back at the car now. So yeah, that was good. Probably done about 12 and a bit miles. More to come. Next month I'm going on holiday near the lakes for like my birthday for a week. So looking forward to capturing some Lake District content. But until next time, see you later.